Hey guys, let's visit my little catfish farm. We are just doing a change of water. We do this every 2 to 3 days. This keeps the farm so clean and free from every smell. As you can see, the water is so dirty. So we are about to do a change of water. So we start by opening the outlet, the water outlet, to let out all the dirty water. Say hi to Rocky. Rocky says hi. Okay, let's proceed. So we just leave it open for about 10 minutes to drain out all the dirty water. And as you can see, the water is all drained out. Do you know that catfish is so resistant? They can stay away from water for a very long period of time. Please kindly give this video a like. Thank you. Have you visited a catfish farm before? Leave a comment in the comment section. I would love to read from you. Thank you. So at this point, we come in with water, and you can see their reaction the moment we come in with water. Water is indeed life. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your view. Can you see how fresh and clean the farm looks now? Oh my God, this is so beautiful.